Hey guys, welcome to another video with boss babe Nickie. Oh yes, so in this video guys, we will be installing this base. It's a 12-inch bob here guys, and yes, 12-inch bob here. So if you're a return subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join my family. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at bossbabenickie28. Let's get into the video. I'm on a 3-way WhatsApp call guys with my girls, so we'll be installing together. Hey guys, so this is the hair. It's 12-inch bob. Oh, may I use my table? Take off my laptop and everything. This is the lace pre-plucked guys. Right, I got my got to be here. I got this just in case. And this is the wax. My combs. Flat iron. Foundation. Scissors. I'm gonna use this as the clipping guys. This unit is from Luxe Diva and it's a 150 density straight bob hair, 13x4 lace, and it's pre-plucked guys, 12 inches. Also remember in my previous video I told you guys that I bought some stuff, so those were the stuff that I got to install the hair. That's the got to be spray, glue, wax, all that good stuff. What I'm doing here guys is just drying the got to be on the wig cap and also applying some foundation and blending it out.
When you don't put any got to be, okay, alright. So after this one, got to be.
Oh, okay. Oh, I may do it backwards.
Of course, foundation we have more. It's gonna done. Now you say because now yeah. And now we put the first coat, we have low dry it.
Now I'm just applying some glue to the lace guys. Here I'm just removing the excessive lace so I can begin to install the lace wig. I must say this was pretty easier than I thought. It just took a while and that's okay because we gotta get it done properly, right?
Hi. New thing. Hey girl. I started off as a start.
This is the hot comb guys. Mini unboxing.
Then get that cheap and clean. Then make it
Nice.
What I mean to tell you, yeah. To get some make it on more.
Mini unboxing, guys. I'm gonna plug it in now. Guys, the hot already now? Yeah, I need the power one. The hot already. In the club, we vibing.
Alright.
I'm going to do a little part, guys. I have a little ketchup on the top, so that's the style I'm going to do today. And now I'm just cutting the lace, taking my time because, like I said, it's my first time and I don't want to mess up. I felt like I did an okay job, being that it was my first time, you know, but you have to be patient and take your time with this step. Now I'm just going over it, guys. Guys, I catch up right here from flat iron. Still flat ironing in here, guys. I also add some coconut oil.
Anyways, it could be cousin, you know. It could be far cousin from the grandfather's side.
Edges are not, they are not twin, they are sisters and cousins and uncles and nephews.
They're sisters. So no come for me. Mine is my sister. Mine is my sister relative. Me just for sure mine them related. I jack them.
Edges always give a fight. So I'm just styling the hair now, guys. I'm going to also add the wax and going with my hot comb and flatten out the hair. This hair felt really good, guys. I love it. What do we baby hair now? This thing I use some. I wanna use my kind of baby hair. So guys, I have to use this for my edges. This is all I have. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Woo! You see that? We cook up to be. I'm a beginner mostly. Almost everything we go hairdresser for except to catch up my natural hair. So guys, here with me. We are gonna use makeup and blend out me blend out the edges. Let me put it on my arm so. Place is messy, 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 messy.
Wash my frown.
Finishing look as a beginner.
I would never do just regular part and come through.
Yeah, we go through the roughest. True. We have one little flyaway here. So guys, me a sweat.
We can see. Girl, you're not about no wig, girl. You're not about no wig. I mean, like, it's a bit nice.
Yeah.
So, she have you have a cream ear and thing.
Yeah.
Ear and go. Good one. Alright, that's
Yeah.
what I'll do.
I wanna send me video. I personally love this ear. It eats and she did her thing. Oh yes, go girl. Watch gal. Watch your gal nice. Mama anchor this and a zigzag part. Oh yes, go girl. I love this. I love it. And I like gal nice. Gal no hard for fix at all. Not at all. This was so amazing. Guys, I did went ahead and add a few more baby ears to the side. And this is the finishing look. Love it. This hair does shed a bit, but everything else is perfect. Yeah. Yeah guys, although me sweat like this now. Like this now. Only thing me not love it bend where the hair have, which that is my fault. Want it straight. Maybe make it straight. No want to have no bend. So guys, we have reached to the end of the video. Thanks for watching to the end. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Pearl.